They see something that said, take a look at what happened.
A recent report has disclosed that a team of snipers was present inside the building where an attempt was made on Donald Trump's life. Despite being spotted 26 minutes earlier, the would-be assassin climbed onto the roof and opened fire. According to WPXI, police at the scene noticed 20-year-old Crooks climbing into position just 130 yards from the rally stage and took photos of him due to his suspicious behavior. Meanwhile, a counter-sniper team inside the building, designated as a watch post, was present when Crooks fired his weapon, as reported by the New York Post. It remains unclear whether Crooks was carrying the AR-style rifle when he was first seen scaling the AGR International Inc. factory. These revelations have prompted questions about how Crooks was able to shoot at the former president, resulting in the death of a rally attendee. Authorities and the U.S. Secret Service are under intense scrutiny following the incident at Butler, Pennsylvania, particularly after the roof was identified as a security vulnerability. Secret Service Director Kimberly Cheadle has stated she will not resign despite increasing calls for her to step down due to the significant security lapses. Butler County Sheriff Michael Sloop defended an armed officer who encountered Crooks moments before the shooting. The officer, who remains unnamed, retreated when Crooks pointed his AR-style rifle at him. Sloop supported the officer's decision, emphasizing the difficulty of the situation. Sloopy also mentioned that his department had been alerted to Crooks' suspicious behavior before the rally and began searching for him immediately. Local police, rather than the Secret Service, swept the building, but Crooks was still able to climb to the roof and aim at the former president. Sloop acknowledged that Crooks breached the secondary ring of protection when he opened fire. The Secret Service is responsible for the immediate area around the president, while local police manage the outer perimeter. The former president, 78, narrowly escaped the assassination attempt, with the bullet missing him by less than an inch. The incident occurred 8 minutes after he took the stage at 6:03 p.m. ET. Despite warnings from Trump supporters who saw the gunman on the roof, the Secret Service allegedly ignored the alerts. One witness told the BBC, "I'm thinking to myself, why is Trump still speaking? Why have they not pulled him off the stage?" The next thing you know, 5 shots ring out.